how to layer acne products for dry and sensitive skin. Dry and sensitive skin needs to focus on barrier repair while managing active acne. The following order of application is as follows. In the morning, 2% amino acid blend. This is a blend of ingredients that gently remove impurities for a cleaner, healthier skin, just like mine. Follow with 5% niacinamide, also known as Blemish Corrector Lite. This is a treatment of choice for blackheads, whiteheads, acne/breakouts. It is also another treatment of choice to manage blemishes. Follow with 80% squalane, also indicated as barrier support. Squalane mimics the natural lipids of the skin and acts as a barrier for the skin and therefore helps to target dryness as well as sensitivity. For moisturizer, you can opt for 5% Centella Asiatica plus CHO complex. This is our regenerative cream. It has Centella Asiatica and Phytosooth complex to offer great anti-inflammatory properties. These helps to calm and soothe the skin from sensitivity as well as irritations. With more barrier support, this optimizes moisture content as it significantly reduces transepidermal water loss in the skin. Last but not least, you can apply any of our sun functional options of your choice. In the evening, your order of application would be as follows. 2% amino acid blend. Follow with your 6% Mandelic tonic, also indicated as gentle exfoliating tonic. Mandelic acid offers a much controlled penetration into the skin as it has a bigger molecular size. This is great for cell rejuvenation. It unclogs pores, it refines skin texture, it manages breakouts as well as dark marks. Your first serum will then be 5% niacinamide, which is Blemish Corrector Lite. Last serum but not least, this is 0.3% retinol. This is our oil-based vitamin A. As we know that vitamin A is gold standard due to targeting multiple skin concerns such as post-acne marks, pigmentation, increases cell turnover to help address aging, as well as serving as a treatment of choice for blackheads, whiteheads, and unclogging pores. With regards to pores, the size cannot be changed physiologically. However, you can keep pores unclogged in order to create that appearance of reduced pore size. Pro tip: on the evening that you use your 0.3% retinol, you should not layer it on the same evening with your 6% Mandelic tonic, as your skin may potentially be overstimulated. So rather alternate between the two. And the last product of the night would be your 5% Centella Asiatica, which is your regenerative cream. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.